and right now we're on a tech talk on the next class of cloud infrastructure. Well, we've got with us Leo Alvarado, the Senior Manager, Technology Cloud Engineering Cloud Innovation Lead, Oracle ASEAN. Well, Leo holds the strategic vision for Oracle Cloud innovation initiatives that drives both awareness, adoption, and consumption of Oracle Cloud infrastructure across ASEAN. He has been instrumental in building Oracle's momentum, especially in the multi-cloud space. Leo leads cloud innovation initiatives such as POCs, process automation, complex workload migrations, hackathons, and discovery workshops that build on technologies like Oracle Autonomous Database, AI, machine learning, blockchain, IoT, and intelligent bots. Well, Leo's been with Oracle since 2008. And Leo, thank you so much for joining us today at the World Cloud Show. Over to you, please.
Thank you, Bhavana. It was just
My pleasure.
Okay, good morning, everyone. So welcome to the Cloud World Show, Manila. So I hope everyone is safe and healthy. So my name is Leo Alvarado. I'm from Oracle. I'm a senior manager for technology cloud engineering. I also lead the cloud innovation for ASEAN. So today I will be talking about on the next class of cloud infrastructure, and I'll introduce you to Oracle's Gen 2 Cloud, and to tell you what our focus in terms of innovation, as well as to tell you what's in it for you, benefits in terms of moving your workloads to the cloud. So I know all of you can relate to this statement. So time is running out for traditional systems. So we've seen the effects, we've seen the early warnings, and indeed, these are different times. So especially for different industries. And there are a lot of powerful forces that are reshaping the industries nowadays. So every customers, they wanted to demand for better experience. And to add into that, so there's a lot of economic pressures in terms of letting you assess and analyze the returns, as well as to do on your cost margins and profit. Everybody is looking for a unified platform which can give you the flexibility, as well as to do innovation. So while innovating, there's also a big pressure for us to keep the regulation and security to what we are running into our platform. And definitely AI is here, so there's a big push on how do we make leverage on the AI/ML for us to offer new business streams, as well as to offer different new business model. And the new normal, so it further exacerbated the pre-existing drivers. So we've seen the impact of this new normal. So every one of us needs to focus on delivering new services while still extending our reachability to our customers. And with this challenging times, we also need to make sure that our customers are also engaged, could be on different channels, as well as to manage our employees on how they can remotely transition to acquire new skill sets. And definitely our focus is to making our system and business resilient and with a ready business continuity plan in hand. So this is one of our customer who also experienced challenge when it comes to the new normal. So for the case of Zoom, so their customers drastically spikes from a number of users now to a million simultaneous users that keeps on transferring high definition videos to the cloud. So they've seen the benefits of the cloud can offer in terms of scalability and flexibility. So within hours of deployment, so when they move to Oracle Cloud, it already helped them scale. So from hundreds to thousand of compute resources, as well as if you can see the size that they are transferring, it's around 7 petabytes of high def videos per day. So they took advantage of the cloud benefits. So in terms of scalability, quick provisioning, security, and ease of deployment. And here you can see that growing business needs a driving enterprise towards modernization. So customers are demanding for better experience. Everybody wants faster innovation. And on top of your faster innovation, improve agility, you are also in task to do and to lower your operational cost, maximize security, as well as to reduce the risk. So as a thought leadership, so we Oracle as a partner to you can help you with how you can easily simplify innovation and do value creation. So it's a thought leadership coming from a trusted operator, doing on your as is setup, like looking into how you can easily do data management consolidation, improve the availability and recovery of your existing systems, and moving into being an IT transformation leader in which you are already thinking on how you can modernize those systems from isolated data to connected data. So this brings you the idea of modernizing and redesigning your legacy systems, as well as for you to deliver faster and a more secure, cost-effective, unified platform. And to add into that, whenever you do innovation, you should also consider how you can innovate safely in with your data. And then the next phase is for you to fully unlock of being a digital strategies. So from your isolated connected data, this time you are already looking on how you can integrate to other systems, like handle data, any type of data at scale, or you bring in the application of artificial intelligence to your existing system, as well as for you to enforce the highest level of data security. So today I'll be talking about the Oracle's Gen 2 Oracle Cloud Infrastructure as your strategic platform for running your mission critical workloads. So Oracle Gen 2 cloud infrastructure. So we've combined what's best from the Gen 1 and added more to come up with our Gen 2 design. So we bring you more performance, give you superior economics, as well as we have added a security first design into building our cloud services. And we make our cloud open ecosystem, meaning it doesn't limit you to just run Oracle workloads, but you can even bring in non-Oracle workloads on even open source. And we bring you the flexibility. It's pay for what you use. It's scalable. It's easy to use. We give you all the cloud automation tools for you to easily work on your existing workloads and develop cloud ready applications. So this is just a quick view to some of our customers on what they benefit when moving to Oracle Cloud. So they are looking into these different criterias. So first, they're looking into how they can easily provision a sandbox. Could be a dev or development test environment to the cloud in order for them to test new customizations or even applications and a database version. Another thing is some of them are already evaluating redesigning, or they wanted to adopt to this new emerging technology solution such as what cloud native can bring into their system, microservices. Some are looking into adopting already the DevOps framework, which is already available as a service into the cloud. So due to the pandemic, a lot of customers now are looking into how they can improve business continuity. So imagine quickly having your ready DR into the cloud, which will help you improve your RTO and RPO objectives. And to add into that, you also have the ready tools for you to automate the backups as well as to do your data archiving. And one big benefit is for you to evaluate even running your production or mission critical systems into the cloud, as you can take advantage of the ready high performance compute resources. You have a choice whether do you want to use a virtual machine, bare metal, GPU, as well as for you to modernize your applications and system, like for the case of doing resiliency and high availability. So there's a ready inbuilt design for you in Oracle infrastructure in which it will help you increase your high availability. So utilizing those ready services already into the cloud. And some of our customers, especially enterprise customers, they are looking into the cloud as an extension of their data center, as we provide them with different connectivity options. So these are implementing a secured IPsec VPN in order for them to have a secure tunnel, as well as to even have a dedicated pipeline of fast connect going to the cloud. And once they have moved, these are the areas in which these are the areas that they have improved. So first is that a lot of them achieved improvement in terms of performance. So they get better performance, speed of deployment. They are now running on predictable performance infrastructure, which can easily support general purpose workloads or even mission critical workloads. Improve availability. So they were able to improve system uptime, database uptime, as well as their workload uptime. And when it comes to creating new things, so moving to the cloud helped them improve innovation and agility. So they were able to easily consolidate their siloed applications as well as to modernize it by extending it to new functionalities available into the cloud. And definitely, they were able to see the effects in terms of the cost reduction on their overall total cost of ownership, meaning they don't need to uh, to spend a lot of in terms of doing hardware refresh. So it's a paradigm shift in terms of doing IT economics. So Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Gen 2, this is what we bringing you to the table. So we give you better performance. So we've even have this bare metal compute for high performance computing. We've even added cluster networking into our design. And in terms of our platform as a service, we've even added new set of cloud services into our portfolio. So to give you flexible compute, give you flexible block storage. In terms of data management, so we even added autonomous database into to our portfolio, and it works across different areas. So it could be for your custom enterprise applications, real-time streaming, could be analytics or data warehouse, as well as doing machine learning workloads. And that we have built our OCI ground up security. So the we take into consideration the security first design into our OCI, and that, as you can see here, this is the complete cloud services portfolio of Oracle. So starting from the bottom, so you have your ready infrastructure, which will give you a ready compute cloud resources. If you are into doing cloud native, or if you want to containerize some of your legacy applications, so there's also a ready uh, Kubernetes engine into our uh, platform as a service. And to add into that, we've even included a ready networking block into our cloud services. So you can easily create your virtual cloud network. You can improve HA. You can make use of the ready load balancers available into our IS, implement network security. So there's a ready web application firewall also on our as part of our Oracle Cloud infrastructure. And going up one level are these ready platform that you can use in terms of modernizing your system. So data management. So if you are in need of an Oracle database, so you can just simply quickly provision a ready Oracle database cloud service. And this is our flagship, the autonomous database. So you can quickly provision a self-driving database into our Oracle Cloud. Data management. So we've even added the tools for you to easily do data integration as well as data analytics. For creating new applications, like if you are looking into creating serverless applications, so we also have a ready application development platform as a service, in which we also have our own Oracle function uh, as a service. If you are into doing rapid application development, so there's a ready low code application development tool for you to use. So we have the Oracle Apex running on top of our autonomous database. We have Visual Builder Cloud Service for you to easily create mobile applications to easily extend the functionality of your current system. And when it comes to the uh, operations. So we have ready tools like infrastructure as a code. So we have ready templates for Terraform and Ansible that you can easily adopt to our OCI. Now, when it comes to data analytics, so in order for you to harness the value of your data, so there's a ready analytics platform that you can use in Oracle Cloud, and there's a ready data science cloud platform that you can use on Oracle Cloud. For you to do omni-channels, so there's a ready AI chatbot available also as part of our platform as a service. So it's called the Oracle Digital Assistant, which you can easily add into your newly developed application. And we do even have tools ready for you to do multi-cloud deployment. So we have a ready interconnect, a partnership with other clouds. We have a ready interconnect with Azure. And surrounding all of this cloud services is the ready security by design available into our OCI. So this comes on with the OCI by default. So whenever you, for example, in terms of managing data, so when you move your data to the cloud by default, we are applying transparent data encryption, which will gives you security at rest as well as in transit. It already comes with a key management solution that you can easily adopt. And when it comes to the design, so there's a built-in security list that you can configure in order for you to enforce access rights management to your users, especially also when doing the identity and access management. So there's a ready identity cloud service that you can use for you to federate, create users, groups, associate policies into it for you to enforce the highest level of security, especially on moving your workloads to the cloud. And when it comes to the data, so in Oracle Cloud, we have enabled all the security features of our Oracle database management. So as you can see here, these are the tools that's automatically enabled into the cloud. And even if you're looking into addressing security requirement standards. So these are the things that can easily help you address those security points objectives enforced by different security standards. So just to show you the glimpse of our compliance uh, requirements. So you can see here our compliance programs span across various industries. Okay, and it's built into the design of our Oracle Cloud. Like if you're looking into security compliance such as SOC 1, SOC 2, SOC 3, if you are into storing uh, sensitive data, PCI DSS, Philippine Data Privacy Act. So we do have a ready mapping for you to address those security points objective. And these are the regions available for you to use in Oracle Cloud. So we're looking into, we are already into 27 regions available globally, and it's still uh, growing. So you can see here the different regions that are already live, as well as those regions that already have interconnect for the multi-cloud deployment. For Migration Factory, so these are some of the enablers. So if you are moving your workloads, this is what we offer to you. So we give you migration assistance. So we do have uh, our certified professional services partners, and that we give you free cloud tooling. So these are free cloud migration tools that you can use in order to seamlessly move your workloads from on-premise going to the cloud. And you don't need to re-architect. So let's say if you're already running Oracle workloads, so there's no need for you to change the design. You can bring in the same customization and retain the same functionality as you want. And to make it more enterprise focused, so when it comes to SLA, so in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, we not just give you SLA for availability, but we also give you SLA for availability, performance, and manageability. And we give you the support and certification, especially on running Oracle workloads to the cloud. But having said that, so given all the benefits of the cloud in terms of the IT spend, economics, scalability, performance, and flexibility, still not every organization is ready to move to the public cloud. So there are certain reasons. So first, of course, is data sovereignty. Some are still into running workloads which is highly dependent to to on-premise systems, as well as those workloads which are high latency type of workloads. So in Oracle, what we do is that, so since there's still a lot of reasons for other customers that they can move to the cloud, so we took the piece of our cloud and make it available straight behind to your firewall. So in Oracle Gen 2, we also have the uh, cloud at customer. So meaning it's the same functionality as what we have into the public cloud. Like for the case of autonomous database, you can easily run these autonomous cloud services straight to your data center behind your firewall. So no application changes. The data will never leave your data center, and it's the same simplicity, agility, performance, and elasticity provided with the public cloud. And just to tell you more, so our vision is to make our cloud services autonomous. So like for the autonomous database, it's a self-driving database, self-secure, self-repair. We give you the highest availability when it comes to data management uptime. It is a self-service. We provide you with those cloud management tools, quick provisioning, faster deployment, and that we even added those free application development tools that you can easily adopt into your ecosystem. And it's we also bring in the auto scaling. So this will help you move into fully OPEX, like a paper use, as you can already do dynamic uh, scaling for your resources. Okay, when it comes to creating new applications, so our OCI brings you the Converge database, can run different mix of workloads that you can easily adopt for you to develop data-driven new applications to the cloud. Our cloud services also brings you modern development paradigms. So let's say you wanted to do DevOps. So we have ready DevOps tools for you to use. If you are into moving into microservices, so you can take advantage of the Oracle cloud infrastructure for running microservices system, CI/CD for DevOps as well. And in order for you to harness more the value of your data, so there's also a ready data science platform that you can use in OCI, which brings you this benefit. So you can easily elevate your customer engagement, improve customer reachability by utilizing all of this already B2B, B2C cloud services. Okay. And we also bring you a platform in order for you to innovate and co-create with our ready collaboration tools that you can adopt. And here you can also see that you can easily transform service ops with automation. We bring you cloud services for you to do self-tuning operation, performance monitoring. You can apply in-flight machine learning. So leveraging on our high performance cloud infrastructure. And also for you to accelerate your transition to the Oracle Cloud. Now we bring you the choice, the ease, the choice, and the control. Either you deploy it on the public cloud with customer or creating a hybrid uh, setup. So now you will have a comprehensive enterprise cloud strategy with ease, choice, and control. So you have a choice. You want to deploy in a public cloud or straight away behind your firewall or even hybrid. Running all of this mission critical workloads, performance intensive workloads, or even bringing in your open source to your to the cloud. And in order for you to extend to your on-premise or having a cloud to ground to cloud, or cloud to cloud, so there's also a ready integration cloud platform that you can use for connecting to your application. We have already tools for you to create new cloud-ready applications, extending your applications to meet unique needs, and we have a ready secured content experience that you can also uh, apply. So it's an API first approach, and it will give you the drag and drop experience on and for I mean on adapting to the content uh, collaboration. And last is to in order for you to do conversational AI. So you can apply conversational AI to your application utilizing the ready Oracle digital assistant platform, which is also part of our platform as a service. So again, I'll leave you with these three reasons. So why enterprise are moving your workloads to the cloud. First is you've seen the benefits in terms of superior economics. You will be getting better performance, security, high availability, and SLA, as well as this is the way for you to quickly transition, evolve, and innovate. And to end my presentation, I would just like to share with you that Oracle also brings you free tier. So this is a free cloud service. It's free for unlimited time. So meaning you can use the cloud free tier. So I suggest to everyone you can just do a quick scan. So this will bring you to the Oracle's cloud free tier, which will give you the experience of running and testing this uh, autonomous cloud services, as well as for to give you access to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure for you to starting, building, and testing, and innovating your systems to the cloud. Okay. So again, would like to say thank you everyone, and stay safe and healthy.
Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us, Leo, for, with